Hey guys, it's Rochelle here, a Hong Konger trying to survive in Canada. And today I want to talk about something that still confuses me, small talks. Canadians love it. Hong Kongers? Not so much. Today I'm sharing 10 ways our directness clashes with Canadian politeness and why I keep embarrassing myself. The weather talk. In Canada, talking about weather is just like a handshake. Everyone does it.
Nice weather today.
It's cold. I hate it. Oops, wrong answer. I'm supposed to say, oh yeah, it's beautiful, even if I'm freezing to death. The how are you? In Hong Kong, how are you is an actual question, but in Canada, it's just a script.
Hey, how are you?
Not great. I didn't sleep well. And then awkward silence. Turns out they weren't expecting a real answer. So now I just say, good, thanks, even if I feel like a zombie. The sorry overload. Canadians say sorry for everything. It's like their national word.
Oops, sorry. Oh no, I bumped into you. Sorry. You stepped on my foot, but still, sorry.
Why are you apologizing? No, I just say sorry back, even if I have no idea what I'm apologizing for. The compliment exchange. In Hong Kong, when someone compliments us, we downplay it. But in Canada, that's just weird.
I love your jacket.
It's cheap, not a big deal. Oops, apparently I'm just supposed to say thank you. I'm still learning. Ending a conversation. Canadians have the softest way of saying goodbye.
Anyway, it was great chatting. We should grab coffee sometime.
Oh, really? When? And then I realized it's just a polite way to leave. They don't actually mean it. So now I just smile and say, yeah, that would be great, even if I know it will never happen. This one I've been hearing all the time. The how was your weekend? Monday morning in Canada, be prepared. Someone will ask about my weekend.
Hey, how was your weekend?
I stayed home and did laundry. Wrong answer. I should have said, oh, it was great. How about you? Even if I did nothing. Grocery store etiquette. In Hong Kong, grocery shopping is a war zone. In Canada, it's a social event. Me, pushing cart fast, dodging people.
Oh, you go ahead.
No, after you. In Hong Kong, if people wait that long, you will start hearing people yelling at each other. Now I just say thanks and go. Holding doors. Canadians are obsessed with holding doors, even from 10 meters away. When I see a Canadian holding door for me from a distance, I have to force myself to jog awkwardly to the door. I appreciate the kindness, but now I feel like I'm running a marathon just to get inside. Ordering coffee. In Hong Kong, ordering coffee is fast. In Canada, it's a full conversation.
Hey there, how's your day going so far?
I woke up with a severe headache. I just want coffee.
Oh, okay. And what's your name?
Not very okay. And why do you need my name? I just wanted caffeine, but now I'm trapped in a friendly interrogation. Overusing thank you. In Hong Kong, we say thank you when necessary. In Canada, it's every 5 seconds. Receive a coffee. Thank you. Barrister, thank you. Oh, thanks so much. thank you too. Thanks a lot. So tell me, how many thank yous are needed? So, what do you guys think? Do you struggle with small talks too? Are you a sorry or thank you addict? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.